Alpha, yeah. Today I get three rules for you if you wan be crypto investor. Number one, knowledge. This knowledge no mean say maybe make you get idea about something o. E mean say before you invest on any project or any crypto coin, ask yourself, shey you don understand wetin this coin dey about? Shey you don get the concept of wetin dem dey talk about this coin? No just buy am because say you dey hear am or you dey see say e dey trend. Now, number two, buy low, sell high. Some people, I discover say some people dem dey always chase pump, and e no good. You go dey chase pump like coin wey don do 200%, 300%, 500%. No forget say wetin go up go surely come down. So if you dey assure say omo this coin wey dey pump, you sure about am, you still wan buy am. If e don pump, leave am, e go still drop back because people go wan take profit. So if you dey invest, buy low, sell high. Then number three, diversity. This diversity mean say, I know say yes you believe in bitcoin, but no put all your money for bitcoin. No put all your money for one basket. Split am. Get like two or three coin. If na $100 you get, you fit put like $40 for BTC, then the remaining $60 put am for maybe Ethereum or BNB. I no talk say make you buy BNB or Ethereum, no be financial advice. Yes, na the three rules be that for now. Any other rules you fit add am. Thank you.